Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to delete Snapchat account. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmini it? So first of all, open your Snapchat profile, then click on this settings icon to the upper right hand corner and scroll down. Then click on I need help and search in this box account, delete account, delete my account. Click on it and now click on accounts portal. Here you have to put your account password, so I'm giving here my password, and after giving password click on continue, and here we can see account deactivated. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unmini it. Thanks for watching this video.